beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, my old subscribers, and if you are new turning to this channel for the first time, welcome to Queen and Nikki's channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel before you leave at the end of this video, and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. So guys, in this today's tutorial is a DIY how to tie gele on your own. To be sincere, some people find it difficult to tie gele on their own, so that's the reason why I want to show you guys how to tie gele on your own, in case you have nobody to tie you gele, so you don't need to stress yourself. You just tie it in a simple way and then you look good for the Owambe party. So guys, let's get started for the tutorial. This is the aso-oke I'm using to show you guys how to DIY your gele. Please share this video to your loved ones. I love you all. Let's get started for the tutorial. First thing you need to do, guys, you examine the gele, as in if the gele is full length or not. So make sure you check it properly for you to know the type of tie you're tying the gele with. So after that, you fold the gele into two, as in equal parts. So that's another way you can know if the gele is full length or is not. Then after folding it into two, you place it at the waist. Then you will know if the gele is full, the gele will be touching ground, and if the gele is not full, it will not be touching the ground. So now guys, you fold the tip of the gele just small. Then use your hand to smoothen it very well, just to make it firm. Then you place it from the back to the front. So I'm actually showing you two methods of tying gele on your own, and this is the first one here I'm showing you guys. So you hold it firm at the back, cross to the front. Can you see, guys? Hold it firm. Then you cross your hand, one at the up, then the other one at the down. Can you see the way I'm crossing it? So after, when you are done with the crossing, just make sure you tighten it a little bit. Can you see? Then you take it to the back again. Can you see? Just hold it firm. Then you take it to the back. So when you get to the back, let me show you guys the back for you to know what I'm doing here. Just use your hand to arrange it so that you'll be able to tie it properly. Then can you see? Just adjust it. You need to have while tying this gele, you need to get a mirror for you to see what you are tying. Then this is the back aspect. Let me show you guys the full side of the back. Can you see? You just start splitting it. You put your hand in between the tip of the gele. Can you see? Then you start folding it in and out. You fold it in and out. Can you see? Then this is what you're going to achieve. Then you tie it. So you need to be very careful while tying this gele, because you are tying it on your own, so you have to be careful. So you tie it very well just to make it firm. Then you tie it for the second time. After, when you are done tying it, then you go ahead and you begin to arrange the gele. Can you see, guys? This first one, I'm not showing my hair. in case you don't make hair, you just want to secure the gele. You want the gele to cover your hair. So this is the first method I'm showing you guys. So after when you are done with the tying, you go ahead and you begin to arrange the hair, the gele, and this is the final look of the first one, guys. Can you see? Then you rock your party with the gele. Just have to slay with the gele. Can you see? And this is the back. So let me know in the comment section if you love this tutorial and if this video is helpful. You can also leave a comment below, guys. Can you see? So imagine you wear your makeup, you just play with it. And this is the second method I want to show you guys. First thing, you pleat like 4. Then use your nail just to smoothen it, to make it firm. Can you see, guys? You pleat like 4 or 5 depending on the gele or the kind of hairstyle you make. After that, you secure it in between your lap. As you know, you're tying it on your own. Nobody is to help you and hold it. You secure it with your lap, then you start arranging the pleats properly. Can you see what I'm doing? You arrange it properly. So when you are done with the first side, you use your hand to smooth it. Then you repeat the same thing on the other side by holding it with your lap as well. Then you arrange the pleats again. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? Just pay attention. This tutorial is very lovely. So after when you are done, this is how the pleat is looking like. Now you want to place it on your head. So you just have to hold it with your lap again. You place it in between, then you turn it. Can you see? I've already turned it. Can you see? So you turn it, then you arrange properly and place it directly to your head. Can you see? Make sure you place it at your hairline. Then you cross it again. Can you see? Arrange it. Make sure it's covering your ear so that you'll be able to arrange it very well. So you tie it very well, as in the crossing aspect, so you're not tying it. So when you cross it, you hold one with your armpit, then you begin to work on the second one. As you can see what I'm doing here, you just open the inside and you begin to arrange the pleats. So when you are done with the pleating, you hold it with your arms, then you begin to work on the other one. Can you see, guys? So it's very easy to tie, only if you can watch from the beginning to the end. So when you are done arranging the pleats, can you see, guys? Then you cross it, the pleating one, you cross it to the front. Can you see? You place your hand in between the edge of the gele. Can you see? Then you begin to pleat it in and out, in and out. Just the same method you apply to the back. Then you tie. Can you see? You need to be careful while tying this gele so that the whole gele will not scatter. So you tie it, make sure the gele is firm. Then you start arranging it after the first tying. Then now the second tying, you arrange it properly. Can you see? Before you tie the second one, you arrange it with your hand so that you not find it difficult to bring out the one you wanted to arrange. You just arrange it first before tying it for the second time. Can you see? Then you go ahead and tie it for the second time. Hold it firm. So can you see? After tying it for the second time, you pull it out. You pull it out for you to arrange it properly. Can you see, guys? Then you go ahead and you begin to arrange it the way you want it to be. Make sure the front is firm and the tying is firm as well. So all what you need to do here is just to arrange it. Pay attention, and you don't need to rush yourself while tying gele. Don't need to rush yourself after tying it. Can you see this particular place? You can use office pin just to secure it, to hold it together. And when you are done, this is the back aspect. So I'm actually bringing my hair out in case you braid your hair and you want your hair to be obvious. And that's all. This is the final look of the gele. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. I love you.